Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. So in this video we're going to be going over how to add docklets to the Plank dock. So to start off you need to install the Plank dock if you haven't done that already, which would be weird because, it's kind of important. But information on how to get that installed is in the article in the description. But once you get it installed, open up your quick launch menu by pressing Alt plus F2 and then type in plank -- preferences. Now this will open up the settings area. As you can see from here, you can go to docklets. So there are currently 4 docklets to choose from. So to add them, double click, double click, double click, double click, and double click. If you want to remove one, you can just drag it like so and get rid of it. Now, docklets, let me open this again. Docklets are useful because it allows you to expand the functionality of the stock. So if I was using it, I would probably have this one here, and I would have this one here. Don't like the other ones. Maybe I would have the clock one, but again, there's a clock thing up here, so don't need that one. But that is a super simple instructional video here on how to add docklets to your Plank dock on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in learning how to get the dock installed, like I said, please check the link in the description. Anyways, I will see you in the next video.